Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic coin. Now, we all know Binance have been supporting this coin so much, and I know that Robinhood coming in is going to also help Terra Classic coin. Now, we believe that Robinhood can burn a lot of Terra Classic coin. They can burn billions of Terra Classic coin. Oh yes, I know Robinhood is not that top crypto exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Crypto.com, but the truth still remains they have high number of global customers. Now, a lot of people are actually asking Robinhood to list Terra Classic coin, and I know that if they can accept Terra Classic coin, and then they are also going to contribute a lot to Terra Classic, because the buying volume of Terra Classic will definitely increase. Now, remember the 1.2% tax bond will be bond when we have a high level of buying and selling, because when you buy or you sell, they will be charged 1.2% tax bond. So some exchanges that are yet to accept this 1.2% tax bond, we hope to see these exchanges accepting the 1.2% tax bond. Now, Binance are already doing that, and I know Binance have bought billions of Terra Classic. Now, I believe Robinhood, if they already accept and list partner with Terra Classic, and I believe that will also contribute to Terra Classic burning high volume of Terra Classic coin. Now, not just Robinhood, I hope to see Coinbase also coming, but I believe Robinhood, of course, with the way a lot of Terra Classic community has been mounting pressure on Robinhood, I hope to see this coin getting listed on Robinhood, and let's hope for the best this year. Of course, we want everybody to smile this year. We are hoping for Bitcoin to hit back at its all-time price of $67,000 and even hitting about $100,000. And I believe this year is definitely going to be the year for crypto industry. Now, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.